In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view someone's calendar in Google. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, being in the right one at the start will save you from confusion later. Now open your favorite web browser and go to calendar.google.com. When the page loads, you should see your own calendar in the main area and a sidebar on the left. In that left sidebar, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. This area is where Google Calendar keeps calendars you don't own but want to see, like a teammate's calendar or a public calendar. Move your mouse over Other Calendars and click the plus icon that appears next to it. This opens a small menu of options. From that menu, click Subscribe to Calendar. This takes you to a simple screen with a search box. Here's where you'll connect to the calendar you want to view. In the search field, enter the person's email address exactly as they use it for Google Calendar. Take a moment to double-check spelling and any dots or dashes. Getting the address right matters. After you enter the email, Google Calendar will try to find and load their calendar. What you see next depends on their sharing settings. If they've already shared their calendar with you or with your organization, you'll typically see their calendar appear under Other Calendars on the left. Their events will overlay on your calendar so you can compare schedules at a glance. If the person hasn't shared their calendar with you yet, you may see a message indicating that you don't have access. In that case, you'll need to wait until they grant permission for you to view it. Keep in mind that even when you do get access, you might only see free and busy blocks unless they've chosen to share full event details. This is normal and respects their privacy settings. Once the calendar is added, it will stay listed under Other Calendars. That makes it easy to keep track of availability without mixing it into your own calendar. If you ever stop needing it, you can remove it later from that same section. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click the plus next to Other Calendars, choose Subscribe to Calendar, and enter the person's email address. With these steps, you can quickly line up schedules and plan meetings more efficiently while respecting the sharing choices the owner has set.